How to enable direct messages on TikTok. Let's get started. Firstly, update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You will be directed to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Now navigate to the option privacy. Over here you're going to find defense section. Under interactions you'll find the option of direct messages. Click on it. Now click on the option of allow direct messages from. From here you can easily enable it by setting it to everyone or friends. So this way you can easily enable direct messages on TikTok. Likewise, we are also able to customize the reader status. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.